To solve this problem, I'm going to be using the exponential rule, which states that h derivative of x equals to e fx times f derivative of x. So first we need to understand that the first term stays the same. So first we will write it as h derivative of x equals to e negative 3x squared, and then we would multiply to the derivative of this term. So it's 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6, and then we will subtract the 1 from the exponent, so it stays with 1x. And then we add the derivative of that number, so it's 1 times 2 equals 2, and we subtract 1, so it stays with no x. So now, these numbers, we need to arrange them. So h derivative of x equals to negative 6x e negative 3x squared plus 2. But here, since we have a negative exponent, we need to arrange them one more time. So h derivative of x equals to negative 6x over e 3x squared plus 2. And this is the final answer. To solve this problem, I'm going to be using the logarithmic rule, which states that h derivative of x equals to f derivative of x over fx. So first, we need to get the derivative of this term. So we would write it as h derivative of x equals 3 over 2 multiplied by x equals to 3 over 2x. We subtract 1 from the exponent, so 1/2, plus the derivative of this number. So it's 1 here, so we multiply 1 times 3 equals to 3, and if we subtracted 1 from the exponent, it stays with no x. So all of this over this number stays the same. So we will write it as x 3 over 2 plus 3x. And this is the final answer.
Hello, my name is Regina Cirillo, and I'm going to explain how I did this equation with the quotient rule. So first I observed the formula, and I noticed that we needed to derivate each factor, the fx and the gx. Here are their corresponding derivatives. Next, I accommodated each factor with this equation. So first I wrote the fx factor derivated times gx factor minus gx factor derivated times fx, and everything divided by gx to the square. Next, I had the products of each multiplication, and I canceled out the minus 6x plus 6x and grouped the remaining factors with their corresponding exponents. This is the simplified version of it. And next, I had to remove the negative exponents, so I made them into fractions, and this is the first answer. So this was the first answer I obtained, but to further simplify, this could also be the second answer. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Mariana, and I'm going to be explaining the chain rule. But first of all, we're going to be seeing what is the formula of the chain rule. The formula consists of being n, open bracket, f times x, close bracket, and minus 1 times the derivative of x. Now, we will be seeing what is the problem we will be solving right now. This problem is open parentheses x squared plus 6x minus 8 to the third power. Now we will be seeing what is the first step, which is moving the 3 to the beginning. So we will write it all again. First the 3 and then the whole expression, just as it is. Then we will be seeing what is the second step. This step consists of writing the expression as it is in the first one, but we will be subtracting 3 minus 1. After that, the third step is writing the expression again, which is 3x squared plus 6x minus 8 to the second power because we subtracted 3 minus 1, then multiplying the derivative of the expression, which is 2x plus 6. And the fourth and final step of this expression will be multiplying the common factors, which it will end in a result of 6x plus 18 and writing the same expression, and that will be the final result.